Hey everyone! If you're diving into the online business world, you know there's a lot to juggle. But don't worry, I've got a list of 35 tools that'll be your lifeline. Let's dive in. Canva. Think of it as your digital art studio. Create designs that stand out, and now with AI features. Placeit. Showcasing your designs has never been easier. Whether it's on t-shirts, mugs, or digital screens, Placeit's got you. Later. Organize, schedule, and analyze your social media. It's like having a personal assistant for your posts. Notion, your digital workspace. From note-taking to project management, it's all in one place. Google Trends. Curious about what's trending? This tool gives you a peek into the world's search habits. CapCut. Edit videos on the go. Perfect for those quick edits and uploads. Answer the public. Discover what questions the world is asking. Perfect for content ideas. Google Ads Keyword Planner. Dive into the world of keywords. Know what people are searching for and tailor your content. InVideo.io. Elevate your videos. With AI capabilities, it's like having a professional editor on call. Keywords everywhere. This browser extension gives you insights into trending keywords as you surf. Helium 10. Selling on Amazon? This is your toolkit. Join brands. Collaborate with brands and create something special. Trello. Visualize your projects, set deadlines, and collaborate. Shopify, dreaming of your online store, turn it into reality. MailerLite, connect with your audience through emails, send updates, newsletters, and more. Uber Suggest, a deep dive into SEO. Understand your online presence and improve it. Tailwind, boost your Pinterest and AMP, Instagram, schedule, analyze, and grow. Airtable, organize your ideas, projects, and tasks in a unique way. Fiverr, need help? Find freelancers ready to assist. SEMrush, understand your online performance, insight SEO to social media. Zapier, connect your apps, automate tasks and workflows. Loom, communicate through video, it's personal and effective. Webflow, design your website without the coding hassle. Podia, share your knowledge, create courses and memberships. Zoho, email thinkhello@wannabiz.com. StanStore, set up your branded online store. Buffer, manage your social media seamlessly. Wave, manage your finances and keep track of your earnings. Teachable, another platform to share and sell your courses. ClickUp, keep track of tasks, collaborate, and hit your goals. GPT-3 by OpenAI, advanced AI that helps with anything. DALL-E by OpenAI, describe it and this AI creates images from your words. Ideogrammed AI, turn data into beautiful visuals. 11 Labs, clone your voice for realistic voiceovers. Speechify, turn text into natural sounding audio. And there you have it, 35 tools to kickstart your online business idea.